Myanmar's weather agency had issued warnings of unseasonal rainfall on Monday morning, and unfortunately those warnings proved correct. The timing of the storm could not have been worse, with power outages in many areas and roads blocked by debris, making it even harder for aid workers to reach those in need. Several days of storms have already brought devastation to some Mid-South communities, killing and injuring multiple people and destroying countless homes and businesses. And the severe weather threat is not over. Tennessee faces lingering flood concerns in Memphis as a flood watch remains active through 7 a.m. Monday, with wet roads and limited visibility, continuing to pose travel challenges across key corridors like I-240 and I-40. Mandalay, Myanmar, April 7, 2025. A sudden violent storm hit Mandalay, causing many houses to collapse, while rescue teams struggled to dig through the rubble to recover bodies in bad weather. According to the National Weather Service, drizzle and fog persisted overnight into early Monday morning, with visibility dropping to 6 miles near Memphis International Airport. A flood advisory will follow from Monday, 12:15 p.m. to 9 a.m. Tuesday, keeping conditions slick for morning and evening commuters. Residents should avoid low-lying roads and monitor local alerts. International response teams already working under challenging conditions are now facing further delays and disruptions. Rain Rain chances taper Monday afternoon as skies clear. High temperatures will reach 60 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday, with calm northwest winds near 10 miles per hour. Thun, a program specialist of the UN agency, told AFP. There are also fears destroyed buildings will subside and complicate body recovery efforts. Conditions will improve further by Monday night, with clear skies and lows dipping to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Were found in the wreckage of the Great Wall Hotel, Mandalay, after the removal of walls and rubble Sunday afternoon. The Tennessee Department of Transportation announced road closures across western Tennessee after a series of severe storms, hail, and tornadoes hit the Mid-South in the early days of April 2025. The action allows FEMA to coordinate disaster relief efforts to reduce the hardship and suffering the emergency has caused on the local population, the press release said. Specifically, FEMA is authorized to identify, mobilize, and provide, at its discretion, equipment and resources necessary to alleviate the impacts of the emergency. Emergency protective measures, limited to direct federal assistance, under the Public Assistance Program, will be provided at 75% federal funding. Resulting in storm total amounts over 10 inches along and north of I-40. Isolated amounts of 15 inches are possible. This could lead to catastrophic flooding, the National Weather Service in Memphis said in a post on X. said additional crews are also being called in for requests for assistance. Scott said that there are over 70 locations of trees impacting roads, in addition to streets with flooding issues. He said crews will continue to work as quickly as possible until dark and will return on Sunday to clear any remaining trees from roads. An unabated wave of severe storms is continuing its onslaught on states like Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Arkansas, Missouri, and Indiana, unleashing life. The rains are accompanied by wind gusts exceeding 60 kilometers per hour, moving across much of the northern region this afternoon, causing damage to the city. Warnings of a high risk of flooding in low-lying areas, fallen trees, and power outages are expected. In Matamoros, heavy rains recorded Thursday night and early morning caused flooding, prompting the Ministry of National Defense to activate Plan DN-3 to assist the affected population.
Por aquí desde la Por aquí desde la Desde la por aquí. Se me acá tú.
3:48. Power outages were reported in several areas, and personnel from the Water and Drainage Board activated crews of more than 200 people to clean grates, storm drains, sumps and drains. Support was also requested from the National Water Commission, CanAgua, for pumping equipment to remove water from flooded areas. Severe flooding swept South Texas and cities across the border in Mexico on Thursday.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.